Good morning to all. Today we are going to discuss about wind energy. Wind is defined as moving of air due to uneven heating of our earth's surface from the sun's radiation. The wind is a clean, free and readily available renewable energy resources. Each day around the world, wind turbines are capturing the wind's power and converting into the electricity. Wind power generation plays an increasingly important role in the way we power the world in clean and sustainable manner. This wind energy mainly used for irrigation, lighting and small industrial units can be fulfilled with the use of wind energy provided sufficient wind is available. How is wind energy created? Wind turbines allow us to harness the power of the wind and turn it into the energy. So wind turbine which is producing converting the wind energy into the electricity. When the wind blows, the turbine's blades spin clockwise, capturing energy. This triggers the main shaft of the wind turbine connected to the gearbox within the nozzle to spin. The gearbox sends that wind energy to the generator, converting into the electricity. Electricity then travels through the transformer where voltage levels are adjusted to match. So this is the windmill set. That is the component of the wind energy generation. Okay, so here wind turbines which rotate and generate the electricity. Through the generator, it transfer to the transformer. From the transformer, the national grid cell receives this wind electricity, and the distributing system is there that distribute this electricity to the number of users. This windmill setup consists of number of components. They are, first one is the rotor. The portion of the wind turbines that collected energy from the wind is called the rotor. The rotor usually consists of two or more wooden, fiberglass or metal blades which rotate about an axis, may be vertical or the horizontal, at a rate determined by the wind speed and the shape of the blades. The blades are attached to the hub which in turn is attached to the main shaft. So what do you mean by shaft? Shaft is the two different shafts to turn the generator. One is used for the low speed while another is used for high speed. So which is consist of that is the like the pole. Next one is the gearbox. Gear connected the high and low speed shaft and increasing the rotational speed from about 10 to 60 rotations per minute to about 1200 to 1800 rotation per minute. The rotational speed required by most generator to produce power. Next one is the generator. We know that all the generator is what converts the turning motion of the wind turbines blades into the electricity. Inside these components, coils of wire are rotated in a magnetic field to produce electricity. Different generator designs produce either alternating currents, that is the AC currents, or the direct currents, that is the DC currents, and they are available in large range of output power rating. The generator's rating or size is dependent on the length of the wind turbine blades because more energy is captured by longer blades. Next one is the controller. Turns the blades on at 8 to 16 minutes per hour and shuts them down around 65 to prevent any high wind damage. So it maintains the blades without any damage during the high wind or the storm situations or the cyclone situations. Next one is the tower. Tall tubular metal shaft. The taller the lower, the more power produced. Installation of the wind turbines, that is the windmill, which is very needful for the site selection. Site should be receiving the high wind and which is blowing from one direction. Duration should also need for generation of the power. So wind generation, we need the wind speed, wind direction and the wind duration. That is the first case. Another one is around the area should they want the power. That is the another need, another site location. Another thing, the boundary rules we have to follow. We have to get the permission from the government for the construction or the installation of this wind power. Advantages are more because maintenance cost is very less for this wind installation, and maintenance cost is very less. Only one disadvantages we are having, it creates the noise around the area. So I stop this class. We will continue next class in another topic. Thank you.